start of one of our projects, TRX 850. And here we have the engine. Now we don't want to sound like all the rest and start giving you a load of waffle. You know, I think before we show you any more of this is where this bike came out on. Having to sort the parts out. Well, half a day on it and it's starting to resemble a bike. Still a fair bit to do, but there you go. Starting to resemble what she should look like. Well, we've got this far today. Tomorrow we'll start going through things, looking at what needs doing, connecting all the wiring up, making sure all the bolts that have been put in have all got nuts on and washers, and something I've got to emphasise. When you put new bolts in and the frame's been powder coated and everything's been tightened up, don't forget to put the washers on. One of the things we see most when people bring stuff back to us and say the powder coat's damaged, or they put bolts in with no washers on. Wow, it's your own stupid bloody fault. But anyway, here we go. TRX is partly built. We've now got to spend a little bit of time going through this lot, just to see exactly what we've got and what we need to buy. All this lot was in those boxes. And now I want to have this done in the next few days, get it all built up and running. Well, again we're going to be doing a bit more on this. Our little hound in the background, having a good sniff round. Well, there you go. TRX on its way. Well, after a long morning, we're actually getting somewhere. As you can see, it's starting to come together pretty well. We're starting to get there. Front wheels there on the floor. Which is coming together. Spent most of the morning sorting the electrics out, putting the wiring in and plugging it all in and making sure everything's clean and all the connections are clean. But now we still have to go through some of this, bits and pieces we haven't got that I need to find, but we'll get there in the end. But as you can see, it's coming. Starting to resemble a motorbike. Well, all the wiring's done now. Just need to tidy that lot up because it looks a mess. Wait for some tyres to come. New set of coils, new brake shoe pads, new discs, chain and sprocket kit, so on and so forth. New screen, petrol pipes, coolant pipes, replace them all. We don't know how long they've been there, we don't know how long they've been sat around. Could be years without being used, so the best thing is replace them. I managed to find the headlight, which to me doesn't look right in it, but it is the right one. And again, we need to sort this wiring out at the front. It's all connected up now, so I can try with the engine will turn over or not, which I'll be doing probably tomorrow. But apart from that, we're not too far away. and now down the front wheel. So we're cooking with gas now. Nearly all there. A few more bits and pieces to do. Not bad for half a day's work. What do you think? Well, there you go, the lights are working, indicators are working. After all this time it's been stood, really didn't expect it to be that easy. And even the dash lights are coming on. Absolutely brilliant.